here today with Tony, who's here for a second A2M procedure, where initially we had performed a procedure to his low back. Could you, Tony, tell us what was going on with your back?
Oh, well, I was having a lot of trouble with my back, pain, and I had a lot of arthritis in there, and was something else too. And
You had some disc issues,
yes,
some sciatica.
yeah, that too.
And how has that been since we did that procedure?
Oh, beautiful. It's like everything disappeared. I was sore for a couple of weeks, but after that, it just disappeared from one day to the next. And it's
How long had you been suffering with it?
oh, Jesus, for years.
For years?
For over 10 years, yes.
Okay.
Over 10 years.
So because your results were so great with the low back, you're here today
yes.
for...
For my both knees, left and right knee, doing the same
Okay.
procedure, yes. And I can't wait. Looking forward to it.
All right. Thank you, Tony.
Yeah.
We did that, Rich, back in the early 80s.
Oh, wow.
And I was in top of the piers. The plank broke and I went to the water.
And then
And I don't
he doesn't swim.
Oh, really?
No.
So what happened after that? Some guy, right? The guy.
Oh, was the day before Thanksgiving. Never forget that. It's so cold. And I had a monkey suit, no life jacket.
Oh my
Thank God for this guy was behind the crane in the barge. And
What's
he
a
saw-
monkey suit?
Yeah.
No,
It's
what?
like a whole thing, like the whole
Coveralls.
Oh.
We used to call a monkey suit from head to toe. It was so cold. If it wasn't for that guy, I would have been,
You would have been dead.
gone, yeah. Because I
You
don't
have no
swim.
life. You have no life
I
support.
was just going up and down, up and down. So that guy saw me going in. He called the guy on the boat. I used to push the barges
Oh
around.
my
I said, "There's a man that went,
Oh,
overboard."
really?
Yeah,
You could have done.
yeah. But then he
That
called.
life's
Just
I
completed the A2M injection for both of Tony's knees. How was that experience, Tony?
Very well. I'll. Thank you so much. She did a wonderful job. Yeah. A lot
Okay.
easier than I expected. Yes. Smooth, no pain.
Okay.
Very good.
All right.
Thank you so
Excellent.
much. Yeah, good job.
You're welcome.
Yep.